Nice day everyone, welcome to Autompack Machinery. And we are going to pack 30 grams flour, 3 size sealing bag. And the model number of this machine is ATM 320D. Okay, let me run the machine. Let's turn the machine on. Autopack on. And here is a die printer. It is working synchronized of the powder packing machine. We can print production date, expire date, lot numbers. Here is the auger screw inside the hopper. Inside the auger screw, we will measure the high precision of the target grade according to our product. And here it is the mid sealing, the end sealing, and this mid and end sealing devices for the 3 size sealing bag. And this end sealing made by this part, the side sealing by this vertical sealing part. And here is the date printing results. Okay, I stop the machine first. Okay, let's check the precision. 31, 30.7, 29.7, 30.7, 30.7, 30.8, 29.7. Let's check the finish bag, end sealing, and the side sealing, and the printing results. If you are interested in this powder packing machine, feel free to contact me. You can visit our website or contact me by WhatsApp or email. See you!